Wonderful. Are you all going to a common location from here? Or are you all calling it a night and swearing to meet up on the morrow? What are you planning to do?
John's definitely looking into whatever this Tabitha Bulsara and that name that was in his head.
Redacted.
He's looking into that. I don't know if y'all want to join. That was weird.
We all took Betsy's car here.
Yeah, I suppose we should all get in the same car.
I happily pile back into the rear of the car and suggest we go back to the coffee shop where you left your vehicles.
Oh, I bust.
Fine. Get in the car. Where do you need to go, kid?
I'm going to meet up tomorrow.
Can I have made the connection between the voice on the phone and Veronica yet? Or is that still obscured from me?
I think that's still unclear to you.
Just double checking.
Although there is a slightest hint in that he's saying the name Veronica like you know who she is. John, you're able to drop Oliver back off at the fancy apartment complex downtown.
Spoiled little crap. Alright, you be safe. Don't go getting into any more fucky shit.
As you get into the elevator, John pulls away with Betsy. Any private words before you hop out and get to your car?
That one certainly was weird, wasn't it, Detective?
Betsy. Did you give me crack? Did you drug me?
I did not drug you in any way, Detective. I did not think we would run into any reality deviants on such a simple mission as get to this grad student's paperwork and bleed back from his apartment.
It's about a bunch of kids, Betsy. This is fucked up.
This is very fucked up. Welcome to your new life.
Oh, I'm too old for this shit. The whole vampire bit. It's gross.
They are very great. We should get rid of them, but they're self-policing enough that they're not a threat compared to other reality deviants. I would like to acquire medical attention, God.
Yep.
I would like to go to wherever I get free health.
You could just ask me to take you to a hospital. I'm taking you to a hospital.
I suppose the Technocracy's people are based out of an actual hospital.
OHSU.
Yeah, then yes, we are in fact going to a civilian hospital.
You go to see Dr. Marnie. Wonderful. Marnie, as she's stitching you back together, will talk your ear off as much as you are willing to let her about werewolves and how fascinating their genetics are.
I'm very, very good at this gibberish.
She does get you fixed up. John, you go home.
Yeah. Do I have a teenage informant? Someone who hangs out at Burnside?
Yeah, you can find a teenage informant.
Okay.
Somebody who feeds you information from
Mhm.
the local underground scene. At least he claims to. You're not entirely sure of his veracity, but he's the best you got.
Yeah, I don't know, kids. Did we get pictures of the kids that were missing?
Yes.
Then I'm gonna show off the pictures, ask if kids seen him around. When's the last time you seen him?
Yeah, recognize that one. Points out Lucretia Blahage. Hangs out at the skate park some nights.
Yeah?
It seems like a lot of people know her down there.
Okay. Remember whenabouts you last saw?
He'll think about it for a second. The week before the Reed incident, maybe a couple weeks before, a month or two prior, she was talking to all the street-level folks, trying to get them on her side to tell her if anybody came in the Burnside area that was weird.
What, like she was running a gang?
Sounded like it.
Jesus, alrighty. Gang affiliation, that might explain some shit. Alrighty, son. You hear anything, you give me a call.
He stops and looks at the picture with almost no information on the page. Kid looks familiar. Wasn't that kid the protest? Like the riot over at... Yeah, all those fuckers were. They were at the riot.
I mean, the one where the 3 cops died?
I think it was only 2, and they said that those weren't killed by the protesters. One of them got shot by their own gun?
I mean, they still died.
Yeah, that one.
Fuck. Thank you for the information, son. I will give him a cigarette.
I'll give a little beckoning motion.
I will also give him a nug.
He'll take that and he'll leave.
Did you lift crap from me?
Wonderful. And with that, John will go home.
Yes.
You get to the top of the elevator, Oliver,